In 2014, on November 20th, Peanut went on a plane to Sydney, spent 10 days in quarantine, and was reunited with us December 1st. We're going in now to get Peanut. We just got to the airport and we can't wait. Come on in. Peanut! Hello!
Don't let him jump out. Don't let him jump out.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Doesn't really matter. I don't think it matters really which way. Well, I mean, the idea is probably to get to the device first and then go across.
No! Oh my goodness! Can you believe it?
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, well, I can go down the arterial out there towards Turnbull Shopping Centre. Or I can meet you on the roundabout, around one of the roundabouts there, or...
Okay.
Hey, Christy.
How long?
Hey, Christy.
3 months.
Yeah, around Turnbull there.
Down in Sydney,
What about, well, just near the corner of Roadie Road and Seagate Road, mate. Does he?
Oh, it's the worst camera footage.
There's a little shop there. Is that one you're thinking? Yeah, it's a bit fast.
He looks so tiny.
Yeah, that's right, mate.
He's so tiny without his hair.
I know, without all his hair, he looks so tiny.
I can't wait to show him our apartment.
Oh, $65.
I wish he could talk. Say something.
Non-stop.
He's like, I don't like the color.
He's breathing so hard.
He's thirsty. Let me take
We have
this
water.
bowl.
Oh, do you see that? He's thirsty. He wants to get water. He looks so thin now with all that hair on.
Oh, look how cute you are, Peanut. Oh my god.
Love when he does it.
No, he's so thirsty. Isn't he cute?
He's beautiful. So gorgeous.
Okay,
I think he's saying, let's go.
let's go home now.
Wrap around me.
Yep, he likes to do that.
Welcome home, Peanut.
Here's a good spot to go potty in.
He goes right away.
We're in the car.
I have to have the cage.
We're going back. We're going home, and TJ's behind the cage.
I have them. Here starts the dog hair on uniforms phase.
Peanuts.
He's crying so much. He's like,
He's hungry. They didn't feed
Are
him.
you hungry, Peanut? Do you want dinner? I say dinner and then he stops. You know what a bubble?
Oh my gosh.